Alright, so what's up you guys? It's Aaron C back with another video. And about a year and a half ago, I made a video for you guys talking about fitted hats, how to curve the brim, how to wear them. And you know, when I made that video, I only had about 2 hats in my collections, and you know, it's safe to say now we've done a little bit of damage when it comes to getting these hats. And I feel like you guys deserve an updated video as the years have progressed, as style has evolved, kind of just how you can wear a fitted hat with every outfit. And then I want to show you guys a little bit of my collection as well. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. So with the way the style has moved over the few years, I feel like a fitted hat is completely fine to wear with every single outfit. I feel like there's a way that you can integrate it into your fit that just takes it from like level 10 to level 100. I just feel like fitted hats can piece together some of the best outfits and make them even better. Some of these hats have a lot of colors, like the colored brim, World Series hats if you're into them, something like that, like the cotton candy, the lemonade ones. There's a lot of different colorways with them, and some people have trouble working them into their fashion as well. It's something I've had to struggle with in the beginning, but I found my ways to work around that. So my first tip on how to make a fitted hat work with every outfit would be to play off of the colors that the hat has to offer. One of my most recent pickups is this Detroit Tigers hat right here. You can see it's got that red and gold with that red and yellow accent patch on the side, and it also has a yellow underbrim. So this is first and foremost a hat that is doing a lot by itself, so this might be a little bit harder to work in with just an everyday outfit. And a lot of the times, you know, something crazy colored, you would think you just go plain all the way with this, like khaki chinos, khaki cargos, plain color tee, black or white, and just let the hat speak for itself, maybe with some shoes as well. But I feel like there's a way that you can just go way crazier with it. So it's all about just paying attention to little details and colors. For example, I had thrifted this Tuskegee shirt, and it has that same yellow, gold, red tones that this hat shares right here. So it's just a matter of digging through and shopping to match with the hat, or finding stuff that you already have part of your wardrobe and just implementing it together. A lot of people don't think to mix teams or anything like that. Like, this is a HBCU college and an MLB team, but honestly, it makes no difference. If it goes well together, it goes well together. It's no big deal at all. One of my other kind of crazier colored pieces that I have is this Oakland Athletics Valentine's Day hat. And I match it perfectly with this Vice City t-shirt. You know, it's got the pink and red accents in there. It just goes hand in hand together. So my first tip is just finding something that complements the colors and just blends in with it well, and you'll have no problems at all. Other than playing off the colors that the hats have and working those into your outfits, there's a great power in just working with neutral tone. I wear a lot of neutral tones in my wardrobe, and as you can see on my Instagram, a majority of the stuff that I wear is black, white, and gray. Sometimes a little bit of green and a little bit of like khaki in there. With wearing those colors, I feel like you can always add in a neutral tone fitted hat to complement as well. So I have this black Texas Rangers hat. This was the one I had in my very first video as well. Just a solid black and white hat. You know, it can set off something, just add a little bit more to say black hoodie, white tee, throw the hat on top, or say if I want to wear all gray and a little pop of black in there as well. And then for another neutral tone, I have this navy blue Fear of God hat that would go in just great with it, and this little bit of green on the underbrim to give it just a little bit more of a bright color to throw in there and just make everything a little more character and everything like that. My third tip to working a fitted hat into your outfit would be, besides complementing and working with the colors, would be to complement your footwear that you have. So for example, one of my favorite pairs of shoes that I've been wearing recently that I picked up are my white Oreo Jordan 4s. I feel like they go a lot with everything as they fit into my style, as this shoe is majority white and gray, but it has this little hit of red on that Jumpman logo. So me personally, I would take this shoe with the outfit that I have on today. So I have my black and white tour shirt, and I have the checkerboard shorts, throw this on, and to accent that little hit of red, tied in with the red fitted hat, and it goes hand in hand. It's not doing too much. It blends everything in with your outfit, just making it go hand in hand and just looking complete. That's the biggest deal, is just making everything look complete. Something I've been looking to do is working with patterns with these hats. For example, I have 2 hats that are coming in the mail right now. They didn't make it in time for me filming this video, but I have an Atlanta Braves hat, just the traditional navy and red, and then an Oakland Athletics hat, that Kelly green and gold. And I'm gonna wear that with some camo pants, I feel like, and a white tee. Just that green gold, it's kind of like an outdoorsy look, would go great with that camo. Maybe some Jordan 5s or some all white Porsches that tied in on the bottom. I feel like that would just set it off and just let those complement. And then for the Atlanta Braves hat, that navy and red would look really good with some khaki, so I'm gonna throw it on with some like Dickies. Cap it off on the top with the navy and red, maybe just keep the tee really plain, maybe with a small logo or something like that. But I feel like that's a great way to, you know, implement a few different things up in there. I'm gonna have the navy red on the top, maybe a vintage tee, you know, give it a little bit of character, a little bit of texture, have more of that pattern feel. But I feel like that's an amazing way to, you know, just implement some textures, patterns, colors, and just make your outfits look a little less plain with the fitted hat instead of just going all one way. To cap this video off, I just want to show you guys everything I have in my collection, as it is still growing. Like I said, I have 2 in the mail right now. I've got a problem with these hats, I know, but I keep getting my collection bigger because I just love them so much. But as I showed you guys earlier, you got the Oakland Athletics Valentine's Day with the World Series patch on the side right here. Boom, yeah, with that World Series patch here right on the side. Oakland A's hat, basic. You can find this in your local lids. No patch, gray underbrim, red Yankees hat. Most recent Detroit Tigers hat, just like this. I picked this up at Fans. They are in partnership with Lids. So it's basically the same company if you want one of your own. So stay on the lookout because there are not many left of them. I got the San Francisco Giants Cotton Candy Edition, pink underbrim. I found this one off of capcity.com. Capcity.com, that's where I found that one from. My other Texas Rangers hat, I call it the Leprechaun Edition one. I don't wear it that much. 40th anniversary, orange underbrim. I actually found this Gatorade tee off of Depop. This is gonna go crazy, so y'all better stay tuned on my Instagram for that one. The classic black Texas Rangers hat, the hat I've had for the longest time. Love that hat, never getting rid of it. And on my Hype Beast vibes, got my little Jerry boy, Fear of God. It's got that New Era embroidered on the side right there. Green underbrim. This is a really great hat. If you guys can get your hands on one of the Fear of God Essentials caps, I say get one. My only drawback on these is that they are made out of that real wool like the older vintage caps are. So it's living where I am in Texas. In the summertime, this hat can heat up. Like, it gets really hot on your head sometimes. Other than that, it looks great. It's held up for me. I've had this since it came out, so that was probably back in 2020 was when I purchased this hat. But definitely you're gonna see that a lot more on my head in the fall, winter months when the weather cools off a little bit about where I stay. Hopefully today I could provide you guys some benefit on how to style fitted hats with every single outfit, as well as hope you guys enjoyed taking a little bit of a peek at my fitted hat collection that's still rapidly growing. Let me know if you guys would like to see some more of my collection that I have, whether that be shoes, jewelry, clothes. I'm gonna do a closet tour for you guys when the weather cools off a little bit more and I get these final bit of fall pieces into my collection. And make sure you check out my clothing brand as well. It's gonna be the top link in the description. Just dropped some new pieces for the fall season, so you guys better get your hands on those before they're gone. With that being said, this has been Aaron C. Love you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.